That is why it always makes me smile when someone attempts to claim the right to decide who's European and who's not. Among the states that are around this table today, several have decided not to join the EU, others aspire to be part of it. Both are no less European than the 27 EU member states. Yet the EU is today the Sanders Commons home to achieve what I like to call the European reunification, attained amongst people who may differ from one another, and yet they are a part of one whole, like the different fingers of a hand. Peoples who have fought each other over the centuries, yet are in reality one single people. Also, for this reason, being here today means taking a step forward in the historic process of reunifying Europe, because if we really want to build a new Europe in a new world, what old second like to call the two lungs of Europe.